Or I accidentally clicked the end button. I said tape likes to zoom my phone. Anyways, we're just gonna dangle this out the window for a couple seconds. I'll time it for a minute. So yeah, the phone is now out the window. Oh shit. Just in time. Hope you guys had a good time out there. I hit my landlord's window, so that's why I came up. Even though there was like 6 seconds left anyway. Yeah, and also his air conditioner and his side of his house. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Blizzard of 2013. Peace.